It is a large forest, and finding food is a daily routine for wolves, mostly called the dogs of the night. According to popular beliefs, and they are the closest ancestors we have to dogs. Wolves are known as the gray or gray wolf, which is known as the Canis lupus, and it is a large carnivore found in Eurasia and North America. It is a member of the family Canidae and has over 20 subspecies. It is very similar to other Canis species such as the coyotes, golden jackal, and can be bred with them to produce fertile hybrids. Their fur is mostly mottled white, brown, gray and black, and can even be all white. A good example are the ones in the Arctic region. They travel in pairs, mostly referred to as packs, and are very good in tracking their prey due to their highly expressive behavior, which includes the popular howling phenomenon. As a carnivore, the wolf feeds on wild-hooved mammals, as well as smaller animals, livestock, carrion and garbage. But they are susceptible to pathogens and parasites, especially rabies. Wolves eat a wide variety of food, and they eat based on the variety of hoofed mammals available to them in their surroundings. Wolves also eat grass to aid digestion. The wolf stores fat under its skin and other areas of the body to prepare for the autumn and winter. Wolves also eat berries of mountain ash, lily of the valley, cowberries, grain crops, and shoots of reeds. During scarcity, most wolves rely on eating livestock and garbage. Cannibalism is also exhibited by wolves. During harsh winters, packs often attack weak or injured wolves and may eat the dead bodies of pack members. The wolf is known as a social animal. A pack consists of a mated pair accompanied by their offspring. Wolves are known to be territorial, and they have large territories to ensure steady supplies of food. Wolf packs are usually settled and only leave in the case of severe food shortage. Their mortality rate is mostly because of territorial fights. Wolves can communicate using body postures, scent, touch, and taste. The phases of the moon have no effect on wolf vocalization, and wolves do not howl at the moon too. Wolves do howl to locate members, and they can bark sometimes to retreat from a perceived danger. Wolves are monogamous, with the mated pairs remaining for life. They only reproduce depending on environmental factors, such as when food is plentiful. And to expand to larger areas, they produce at least 1 litter a year. Dens are constructed for puppies during summer and are made in natural shelters such as fissures in rocks, cliffs, overhanging riverbanks and holes thickly covered by vegetation. The pups grow and develop so fast that by autumn they can accompany the males in hunting for food. The red wolf is reddish or black, and it is considered a distinct species of wolf. Recent studies have shown that it is a hybrid between the gray wolf and the coyote, with more than 75% of its ancestry coming from coyotes, and it is one of the most endangered species of wolves. The eastern wolf shares a strong resemblance with the gray wolf. The Ethiopian wolf is very similar to the coyotes and can be found in the highlands of Ethiopia. It lives in packs and hunts alone for rodents and other small mammals. Wolves have a long history with humans and are considered to be of least concern by the International Union of Conservation of Nature. They have been despised and hunted due to their menacing attacks on livestock. And they are greatly feared in the human society, but attacks on humans are so rare. Most of their attacks on humans are of wolves infected with rabies. Wolves relatively few and live away from people and have developed a fear of humans due to their encounters with hunters and shepherds. The wolf is considered as the ancestor of the domestic dog. They have been in our culture, in folklore, religion, and mythology, the popular claims of humans turning into wolves. The term is known as a werewolf. Some wolves do kill dogs, especially in Croatia. But in some cases, shepherd dogs can disrupt potential wolves' predation by displaying a few wolf behaviors. And this is effective against wolf predation. But they can sometimes be killed by wolves. Wolves and wolf-dog hybrids are kept as exotic pets, and they are less responsive to human commands and are more likely to act aggressively. The main issues that threaten the survival of wolves include the loss of habitat due to destruction, development, and encroachment of humans. As our population expands, there has been more human-wolf wildlife conflict. Their habitat is under severe human disturbance and humans can't really live with them. They are being eradicated, sometimes in small communities, due to the threats they pose to livestock. They are also being threatened by bounty-killing programs, aerial gunning, indiscriminate poisoning, lax hunting and trapping regulations across the country. Some species have almost been extinct. But due to captive breeding by various government agencies in the world, they have a minimum stable number in the wild, and efforts are being made to create awareness about them and to protect them. So, what can you do to help and save wolves from the human and wildlife conflict? What can you do to help?